Everyone, welcome back to my channel Ankura Education. First of all, happy Vinayak Chavati to all my subscribers. So, this is the last session about the time and work problems. Let's wind up this topic with this model. So, this is a most frequently asked model in several competitive exams. So, let's watch it carefully. So, first one comes here in this model is the A and B can do a piece of work in 8 and 18 days respectively. Then, in how many days A, B can complete this work if they work on alternate days? So, first of all, we should analyze the concept of alternate days. Alternate days means what? So, in a week, we have 7 days, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and so on up to Sunday. So, alternate days means what? A works on Monday means B works on Tuesday. Similarly, then on Wednesday, A comes, on Thursday, B comes. Similarly, this pattern follows. So, what we can say, we can't write this series for every problem. That means if they ask for 10 days, we should write for 10 days. That means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like this. This is the lengthy process. So we have to go for a simple method. That is, say A is on first position, third position, fifth position, and seventh position. These are the odd numbers. So A is on odd position, we can say. Similarly, B is on 2, 4, 6, and 8, so on. So we can say B is on even position. This is the case only when they specify that A starts the work. In this case, they didn't mention anything, so we are starting with A. Because they did not specify anything, we start always with A. So, if they specify this series starts with B, that means B starts the work, then we should write the series as B, A, like that. So, this A and B are mandatory, but odd and even places we have to remember. So, in several problems they asked for the position of A and B works. Suppose I say on Friday, who is the person coming to the work? So, how can we find? So, first who will come? First A. So, first A will come. So, A is on odd position. So, on Friday means which day? Fifth day. Fifth is an odd number. So, we can say simply A comes on Friday. That's it. That is the process of doing this problem. So, this is a very, very simple method. So, first one, we have to notice the position, that is whether it is even or odd. Then, we have to find the position of the day they are mentioning for. And then we can simply find out the person who is coming on the day. That's it. So, for our case, that this is not necessary. They asked simply, so we have to use the LCM method. So, A and B are doing the works in 8 and 18 days respectively. So, we go for the LCM method that we already discussed. So, LCM for 8 and 18 is 72. This is the total work. So, A can do 9 laddus in a day. This is the 1 day work. Suppose these are the number of laddus, then A can do 9 number of laddus in a day. Then and B can do 4 number of laddus in a day. Because 8 4s is 72, 8 9s is 72. So that is we already discussed, no? So simple, 9 laddus in a day, 4 laddus in a day. So if we add, then A and B can do how many laddus? 13 laddus in how many days? 2 days. Because they are working in alternate days, no? So 2 days. So we have to find the number of laddus, what? 72 laddus we have to make. So we have to search for the nearest number in 13 table. What is the nearest number in 13 table? 13 6 means 78. It is more than that, so we can't use the more number. So we have to use the number which is nearer to the 72 and it should be less than that. So which one is the suitable one? 13 5s. So if we multiply 13 with 5, we will get 65. So, 65 laddus are made in how many days? We have to multiply here also with 5, no? 2 days. 2 days into 5 means 10 days. So, we can write the relation as in 10 days they can make 65 laddus. So, how many are left over? 72. So, subtract this 65 from 72. So, how much amount of laddus are left here? 7 laddus are remaining. So, is on first position. So, on 11th day, who will come? A only will come, no? Because A is on odd position, on 11th day A will come. How many laddus A can make? 9 laddus A can make in a day. So, we can write the number of days as 10 and how many laddus are more to do? 7. But A can do 9. So, we have to write the fraction as 10 7 by 9 days. This is the process of writing the number of days for this kind of problem. So we have to be very careful in writing this fraction. This is a tricky one in this problem. So here see, let's check these options. In C option there is 10 7 by 9 days, and in D option it is 10 9 by 7. So it is very and that means tricky, and we will get usually confused in this two options. So we have to be very careful in writing this fraction. So C is the right answer. That is the leftover laddus, and the laddus we can make in a day. Laddus are the assumptions, so don't think that in every question they'll ask for laddus. For explanation sake, I took the laddus. So this is a way how we solve this problem. So let's go to the next problem now. This is another problem in which they asked for 3, that is A, B and C. This is another type of problem in this type of model. That is A, B and C can do a piece of work in 8, 10 and 20 days respectively. If starting with C, see here they mentioned the person who starts the work. That is here they specified it as C, and working on alternate days. What are the number of days they take to complete the work? So what is the pattern of the working? So C comes first, and then A follows him, and then B follows him. This is the way how they do the work on alternate days. And the remaining process is simple. So what we have to do, take out the LCM for 8, 10 and 20. These are the number of days taken by A, B and C. So take out the LCM, then what we will get 40 is the LCM for 8, 10 and 20. This is the total works. Suppose in for simplicity sake, I am taking this as number of laddus. That means these are the total number of laddus. Then A can make 5 laddus in a day, B can make 4 laddus in a day, and C can make 2 laddus in a day, because 8 5 is a 40, 10 4 is a 40 and 22 is a 40. This is the one day work of A, B and C. So in 3 days, here these are the work done in 3 days. In 3 days, how many laddus they will make? 5 plus 4 plus 2. So what is the number of laddus? 11 number of laddus. So in 3 days they can make 11 laddus. So what we have to see? We have to see the nearest number. So what is that? Nearest number to 40 is what? Multiply 11 with 3. If we multiply with 4, what we will get? 44. That is more than 40. So we have to take only 3. So if we multiply with 3, we will get 33. So we have to multiply here also with 3, no? So 9 days. So in 9 days they can make 33 laddus. Okay? In 9 days they can make 33 laddus. This is also similar to the first one. How many laddus are remaining now? 40 minus 33. 40 minus 33 is what? 7 laddus are remaining. So what are the number of days they take to complete the work? So on 10th day who will come? C. C can make 2 laddus in a day. That we already know. So how many more are left? 7 minus 2 means 5. 5 more are also remaining. So again A have to come on next day. On 11th day A have to come, and A can do 5 laddus in a day. So A will complete the work on which day? 11th day. So on 10th day C will come and he will make 2 laddus, and on 11th day A will come and he will complete the total work, that is by making the 5 more laddus. So 2 plus 5 means 7 laddus. This is how we find the number of days. So for 9 days we make that means they make 33 laddus. In 11 days how many laddus are made by them? 40 laddus are done. So the total work done is done in 11 days. So option number A is the right one. So I hope you understood this problem. If you want, I'll explain it once again. That means CAB comes on alternate days. So first we have to take out the LCM. So that could be 40. So the first day, 1 day's work of A, B, C are respectively 5, 4, 2. So in 3 days, because they work on alternate days, in 3 days they can make 11 laddus. So what is the nearest number to 40? So multiply this with 3, then we get 33. This also we have to multiply with 3. That means 9 days we are getting 33 laddus. But how many more laddus we need? 40 minus 33. That means 7 more laddus we want. But C can make only 2 laddus in a day. So on 10th day C will come and he will make 2 laddus and he will go. Then on 11th day A has to come and he have to do the work. That is, he can make 5 days. No. So 2 plus 5 7. So that is fulfilling our condition. That means C and A together will complete the 7 more laddus. So the number of days taken by A, B and C are 11 days. That is the final answer. This is an important model. I would like to tell another problem based on the same model. So let's get started. The third one comes here is the A, B and C can do a piece of work in 11, 20 and 55 days respectively working alone. How soon can the work be done if A is assisted by B and C on alternate days? These statements are very important for doing such kind of problems. So here they did not mention that A followed by B and C. Here they mention that A is assisted by B and C on every alternate day. That means A will do the work alone on the first day. On the second day, A is assisted by B and C. This is the work pattern for A, B and C. So we have to find the LCM. This is common for every problem. 11, 20 and 55. So the LCM for these three is 220. So A can make how many 20 laddus, as we already we always assume these are the number of laddus. A can make 20 laddus in a day and B can make 11 laddus in a day, and similarly C can make 4 laddus in a day. These are the number of laddus made by A, B and C. But what is the working pattern? A comes on the first day. On the second day, A, B, C together will come to the work. That means on second day, 20 plus 11 plus 4. These are the number of laddus made by A, B and C together. Because on the next day, they all three will together do this work. No? So on the second day, they will do this much of work. So in 2 days, that means this is the first day, this is the second day. So in 2 days, how many laddus are made by them? In 2 days, they can make 55 laddus. 20 plus 11 plus 4 is nothing but 35 plus 20 is nothing but 55. 50 laddus. So this check for the nearest number. If we multiply this with 4, then how much will get? 220. That is fulfilling the total number of laddus. So here also we should multiply with 4. So how many number of days? 8 days. In 8 days, A, B and C will complete the total number of laddus or total work. So in 8 days is the correct answer. So they'll ask in a very tricky manner. We have to understand the question first before doing the answer. That's it. Next, let us go for the next problem. This is very similar to the first one, that means the above problem, but little bit different in asking the question. That means way of asking the question is different. So A, B and C can do a piece of work in 20, 30 and 60 days respectively. In how many days can A do the work if he is assisted by B and C on every third day? The work sequence, that means the working sequence of A, B and C is as follows. That means on first day, A will come alone. On second day also, A will come alone. But on third day, A is assisted by B and C. On every third day, A is assisted by B and C. So on third day, A, B, C, they three will come on third day. So this is the working pattern of A, B and C that we have to find from the given problem. Then next, this process is similar. That means A can do the work in 30 days, B can do the work in A can do the work in 20 days, B can do that work in 30 days and C can do the work in 16 days. So take out the LCM for 20, 30 and 60. Then it could be 600. So these are the total number of laddus say. So A can do how many number of laddus in a day? 30. And B can do 20 number of laddus in a day. Similarly, C can do 10 laddus in a day. This is the one day work of A, B and C. A, B and C. So we have to write here A can make 30 laddus. On second day also he can make 30 laddus. On third day they three will come, no? So they can make how many number of laddus? 60 laddus in the third day. So on 3 days, 1, 2 and 3 days. In 3 days they will make how many laddus? 30 plus 30 plus 60. So how many? 120 laddus. So multiply this with the 5, then we will get 600. This is equal to the our total work, total number of laddus. So here also we have to multiply with 5. That is the answer, 15 days. So in 15 days they can complete the work, that is the total number of work. So option C is the right one. This is how we solve this problems. That means we have to understand the given statement, that's it. After that the question becomes very simple, and if we doesn't know the pattern, we have to we have to go for a lengthy process. So this is very simple according to my knowledge. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to comment in my comment box if you have any doubts and queries. Thank you.